Hi, it's Zoe Roebuck from Dr Roebuck's. I'm going to show you today how to incorporate our weightless lotion range into your beauty routine. Step 1, I start with Kibosh, which is our weightless foaming cleanser that is powered by wild plum harvest, wattle seed and Tasman pepper. Just take 2 pumps. The foam is only created by the pump. There are no sulfates in this cream. Apply it liberally all over the face. And the Tasman pepper, along with the wild plum harvest, which are powerful antioxidants and also reduce the activity of sebum. Step 2 is Stoked, which is our weightless face moisturizer, powered by Maritech Bright, Wild Berry Harvest, Fuco Gel and Sebu Stop. When using Stoked, our weightless moisturizer, you only need a small amount, so just 1 pump. Apply it to the whole face. Now the Wild Berry Harvest and the Maritech Bright will brighten the skin and the Sebu Stop will reduce sebum production. Step 3 is Down Under, which is our collagen boosting eye cream that is powered by arnica, peptides, rosehip oil and vitamin E, plus another 3 ingredients on top of that. When using Down Under, you only need a small amount because it is quite a strong cream. Just add it to the tip of your finger, warm it up slightly and apply it under the eye and on top of the eye. All of the ingredients are clean and active, yet they will not irritate the eye, or if you get a bit in the eye, that's also fine. Step 4 is Bondi Mist, which is powered with Australian spring water, vitamin B, cucumber and kakadu plum extract. Kakadu plum extract is 100 times more powerful than any other plant on the planet. With the Bondi Mist, take the lid off, hold it about 10 to 15 centimeters away and just pump about 5 to 6 sprays across the face to set your makeup and also to wake you up. This is how you can incorporate Dr Roebuck's weightless range into a simple beauty routine that's effective. Remember, it's Kibosh, Stoked, Down Under and Bondi Mist. Thank you for watching and remember it's available at your local Sephora store or online.